Hello everybody, this video is for grade 5 final exam revision. As I told you, it will be in two parts. Part 1 for comprehension and writing because the first exam in English will include comprehension and writing, and the second part in another day, and it will include all the skills like the vocabulary words, the phonics, and the grammar. Now I start by part 1, which is comprehension and writing. As I told you in the class, the comprehension will not be only solving the paper that we did in a class. Actually, I'll explain the genres. I'll give you the definition. It will be as kind of refreshing your mind with the ideas or with the rules we said in a class. This is it, okay? Okay, here in this slide you will only see the topics covered in the exam. You have it already with you, but in case you forgot it or you lost it somewhere, you forgot it in a class, whatever, here you have the summary, or it's in brief what we have. In your turn, the practice book, and also as for writing, the narrative writing and the persuasive writing. Now we will start. Please focus. Let's start. Ears and eyes. As I told you before, you have to use your ears, your eyes to focus in order to get a good mark. Part A, the comprehension. Now you know we have two genres. The first one is historical fiction. As it's written here, we all know that historical fiction, it records past events, okay, in a form of a story, but all the facts included are registered or recorded with years, and these years are real. And also it includes, as I told you, like some old words we are not using nowadays, like the word papa. If you remember, we explained it in one of the texts in your turn, and like when they say the word era, which now we don't use it that much in English, okay? So such words are important in historical fiction. Here it says dates, years, and as I told you, events are facts recorded through history, years. And you will have an illustration, that means a picture, and under the picture you have caption that will include extra information not in the text. Okay, this is it. You can go back to your turn and you will find many pages regarding it. Thank you. Here we have the next genre, or the second one. It is informational text, and we all know that we have the informational text like a persuasive text. We use it in media usually most of the time in order to convince someone, or we want to give him ideas about something. We have to convince someone that this product is better than that one, so we give him many supporting details that could help him in convincing. So informational text, it helps in giving information about a main idea, and then we add supporting ideas for. If you remember, even we can use it in writing text. If we have a writing that we have to write about a persuasive kind of writing or an informational text, we write first the main idea, and anything else will be supporting ideas. All the supporting ideas usually will indicate examples, and all the examples are fact. It also, the informational text includes contradicted idea. That means people around have another idea about something or about the product you are talking about. Okay, this is it. So here it's written, does not utilize characters. Most of it, it's not about a character. It is about a product. It is about a fact, about something. It could be related to science ideas. Further, it has specialized language characteristics such as general nouns and timeless verbs that are not common in other genres. If you want to get more information about, just go back to your reading book and your turn. We did a text about. Now what you see here is related to the comprehension text you had in your revision sheet. Actually, I didn't paste it here for a reason. This is not the comprehension text that will come in exam. Actually, I'll bring something totally different, but I just jot down here the answers for the questions. And if you wanna get a copy of your revision sheet, you can go to the site and you will find it there with a solution for. But here I have, or I just jot down the solutions for the questions of the comprehension from 1 to 5. And this is part 2, which is writing. Actually, what I wrote here is the expository writing. I'm focusing on it because the exam will be about an expository text, not a narrative one. And in a class, we talked a little bit about sport. So please, I want you to focus on this title, Sport, Go, Search, and Google. What you will Google is all the facts about benefit of a sport, advantages of it, and its effect in community. And if you just scratch your mind a little bit, you will find, or you will just remember or recall some of the ideas that we mentioned when we made a debate about sport. And we said that it has a vital role in our community, and it is of important or many benefits in on our health. So, and even to the brain. So you can go back to the writing copybook and you will find many sentences there, and also at the same time you can look back at your writing that you did and I checked in a class, and I'm sure you will do a great job in exam. You will get the good mark. Thank you and good luck. Love you all.